Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today I'm going to show you how to make a professional logo in Canva in just a few minutes. First, open Canva and search for logo in the template search bar. You'll see hundreds of logo templates. Pick one that fits your brand style. Next, click on any text or element to edit it. Replace the placeholder text with your brand name and use the font menu to choose a style that matches your vibe. You can also adjust colors by clicking the element and picking a new color from the top toolbar. Now, if you want to add an icon or symbol, click Elements on the left sidebar and search for something related to your brand, like a leaf for a nature brand or a coffee cup for a cafe. Drag it in and resize it to fit your logo. To keep everything professional, make sure your logo has a transparent background. Click Download in the top right, select PNG, and make sure Transparent Background is checked. This lets you use your logo anywhere, on websites, social media, or business cards. A quick tip, don't use too many fonts or colors. Stick to 1 or 2 fonts and 2 to 3 colors max. A simple, clean logo looks way more professional than a busy one. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.